Figure 2 is the second-generation humanoid robot developed by Figure AI, a California-based robotics company. This AI-powered robot is designed for industrial deployment, featuring autonomous capabilities and human-like dexterity to tackle real-world tasks in manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, and beyond. Figure 2 robot represents a major leap toward viable humanoid robots that can work alongside humans in real environments. It combines mechanical finesse, AI-driven perception, strong autonomy, and endurance, all packed into a sleek, production-ready form. Figure 2 robot can operate in human environments such as factories and warehouses without needing redesign. It is designed to grasp a variety of shapes and sizes. It uses camera-based vision systems for 3D spatial awareness. It can detect people, objects, and changes in its environment. It walks on two legs using balance control systems. It can maneuver over typical flat surfaces found in workplaces.